not want the clam, it slumped it in and it spit it right back out. You know, he does look like more of a squid fish to me. There he goes. He's got that squid in his mouth heading off, taking a little to-go package. Now, Andrew mentioned that the food he's given the animals is sustainable and restaurant quality. Now, it kind of looks like a nice cioppino that you're offering to those animals today.
That's exactly, yeah, absolutely. Us divers here at the aquarium know quite a lot about cioppino. Every year we have a party at Christmas time for the volunteer divers. Yeah, we serve cioppino.
Now, the food like this whole squid that Andrew has is restaurant quality. Do any of you enjoy eating calamari? It's okay to admit that you eat seafood even when you're in an aquarium. Now, does anybody know the difference between squid and calamari?